Hello, my name is James. So today we'll be talking about how to link your Google Forms to a Google Sheet. So first thing you have to do is you open your Google Chrome, open the Google Apps button, and you move down, select on Google Forms written there. Then you can see Google have already designed templates for you. You can choose to build yourself or choose a template. So here we are choosing a already designed template. At the top we choose responses. We click on the response button there, then you see link to sheets. Click on the button link to sheets there, then you select create a new sheet, then you click on create at the top right side of the screen. Google will automatically now create a Google Sheet for you to collect your responses from the people that will fill the forms. Here it is. It have already designed the Google Sheet for you. Anybody who fills the forms, their details will come here for you and save, so you can take their details and use.